By virtually exploring your product or worksite, you can avoid expensive mistakes. VR gives you a more accurate idea of what is being created than any computer screen or printout can offer. There are great advantages to exploring environments or products before they're manufactured. All you need are goggles to act as your eyes and controllers that function as your hands. With Vertex Showroom, you can look around like you're actually present in the model. In our application, you can perform useful tasks like interact physically with the model. View object details. Take measurements. Hide parts of the model. Check the floor plan. And navigate from place to place. Vertex Showroom VR for desktop PC is out now.